Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inviting the birthday bot and granting it the essentials. Give manage server only if required, otherwise grant send messages, embed links, and view channel for hash birthdays. Once done, create a dedicated channel and a birthday role for mentions so notifications don't spam general chat. Make sure the bot's role is above the birthday role in the role hierarchy. This allows it to assign roles and react. Now you're ready to run the initial setup command the bot provides. Next, you input birthday data and preferences so announcements are accurate. Use the bot's add command or import CSV if supported, include month and day, and tag the user. Then set the server time zone and choose whether users opt in automatically or must react to join the list. Customize the announcement template, embed colors, and whether to ping the birthday role. Make sure to test with a dummy account and schedule a test announcement to confirm formatting and time zone handling. Finally, automate monitoring and confirm everything runs daily. Enable scheduled checks in the bot settings, review logs for missed messages, and adjust the announcement time if needed. If you integrated external calendars or webhooks, verify API tokens and permissions. Make sure the bot is kept online and updated. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check the bot's role position and the server time zone first, because incorrect role order or time zone mismatches cause silent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.